Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the SC sound. We will read words that have the SC sound. All the letters within each word you already know how to read. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Let's learn the SC sound. I will say the SC sound 3 times. Listen up. Ready? Sk, sk, sk. Now you say the SC sound with me 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Sk, sk, sk. Great job. Let's read words with the SC sound, like scuff and scan. This is the method that we will use to read our word list. First, we will say the SC sound, then we'll read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. We will follow this method of reading straight through the word list. Once we complete reading the word list in this manner, we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Scab, scab. Scalp, scalp. Scat, scat. Scan. Scam. Scum. Scot. Scuff. Great job. Now we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Scab, scalp, scat, scan, scam, scum, scot, scuff. Great job. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Be careful, or you might get a scab on your knee. The doctor checked his scalp for cuts. The cat hissed and the mouse ran away with a loud scat. The nurse will scan the paper before sending it. Be careful, the email might be a scam. There was green scum on the top of the pond. Scott likes to play basketball after school. Try not to scuff your shoes on the floor. Great job. You did it. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 15. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read this lesson with ease. When you can read this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.